In this video I will show you how you can carve the hollow part of a spoon with the eyelet of a Swiss Army knife. So stay tuned if this sounds interesting for you. Hello YouTube! Welcome to another Swiss Army Knife workshop video. In this series I show you maintenance and customization tricks for your Swiss Army knife. The playlist link to my previous customization videos you find in the description box below. About 5 years ago I uploaded a video where I showed you several tricks with the eyelet and the keyring. In that old video I tried to crack a coconut with the eyelet, or I tried to smash a car window with the eyelet, or I bended a safety pin from a paper clip with the eyelet, and different things more. So the link to this video you find here and in the description box below. But in this video I will show you how you can modify the eyelet that you can use it as spoon carving tool. My modification idea is to craft a Scorp like this out of the eyelet of a Swiss Army knife. And of course this will be a mini Scorp. This Scorp will not be big enough to craft a bowl, but it's big enough that you can do the hollow part of a spoon. Now I would say, let's start to modify the eyelet. The first step is to remove the keyring. The second step is to widen this hole in the center, and I do that with swatch diamond drills and my micro drill. And of course I do that in the water so that I don't lose the hardness of the material. So as first diamond grinder I choose, I guess, this one. Yes, that's perfect. And then I go bigger and bigger until I have a thickness of the ring wall from about 0.5 millimeter. So as next diamond grinder you use this one, and this has a diameter from about 3.3 millimeters, and the eyelet has a diameter from 4.7 millimeters. So now I have a wall thickness from about 0.4 millimeters. So now I go down to 0.3 millimeters, and then I'll show you the next step. So now it's done. Important is that this hole is cylindric or even a bit wider at the end, so that the wooden chip don't get jammed if you work with this Scorp. Now I make a chamfer at the outer wall so that I get a cutting edge on the top. And I try to do that with the Victorinox diamond file. So I try to take the shortcut. This takes too much time. So, it's quite sharp. So I decided to make the finish on the buffing wheel, but be super careful that the backside of the Scorp don't hooks in. So now I would say, let's try out if it works, if it's useful in practice. It's unbelievable. How cool is that? I like it. How cool is that? You can So for me, it's absolutely clear. This Scorp has a absolutely extra value for me as bushcrafter. But now we have the problem that if you carry the Swiss Army knife in the front pocket of the trousers or somewhere else, we have an unprotected cutting edge. And because of that, I made these ones on my 3D printer. So this one I can put over the cutting edge like this, and now it's protected. If you don't have a 3D printer, just take a piece of such a pencil rubber, take the Scorp, press it through, and now the cutting edge is protected too. So my friends, now to my conclusion. So there's no question, for me as bushcrafter, this Scorp is a plus. This is an added value. This is fantastic. And it works that well. That's amazing. That's amazing. It's a pleasure to make the hollow part of a spoon with this mini Scorp. For me, it's just fantastic. I can't say if this is fantastic for you. For me, it's fantastic. So my friends, I hope this was an interesting video for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in 2 weeks. Ciao.